Hello, Miss Tamal's class. This is Miss Vanessa again. Today we are doing lesson 30. We're on day 4 and we're ordering objects by length. To start, circle the group that shows 3 books from tallest to shortest. Here's one group and here's another group. And notice that all of our books are perfectly lined up on the dotted line so we can measure accurately. Let's start by looking at our first group. We know that the problem says that we need to circle the group that shows 3 books from tallest to shortest, or biggest to smallest. When looking at this first group, we need to see if this first book is taller than these books. Is this first book taller than the middle book? Yes, because all this space here we know. What about the third book? This third book is missing a lot of length as well, so we know that this first book is the tallest. Is this book in the middle the medium length? Yes, because look at this length here that the smallest book is missing. We know this book is the shortest, this book is medium, and this book is the tallest. When looking at this second group of books, it goes from shortest to tallest, or smallest to biggest, but we need tallest to shortest. So this is the group that we need to circle. Here's another example. Read the clues, then color the strips. The green strip is longest. The yellow strip is shorter than the red strip. So this is really important right here, friends. So I'm going to underline this. The green strip is longest. So we know that we need to color the longest strip green. When looking at these three strips, which one is the longest? Which one goes out the farthest? Is it this one? No, this one doesn't go out the farthest. Is it this one? Yeah, because this one goes out farther than this one and this one. This one is the biggest or the longest. So we're going to quickly color this one green. What do we know next? We know the yellow strip is shorter than the red strip. Well, we don't know which strip is red, but we do know that the yellow strip must be shorter than the red strip. So we know the yellow strip is going to be the shortest strip because it has to be shorter than the red strip and the green strip because the green strip's the longest. So we are going to color the smallest or the shortest strip yellow. We are going to color this one yellow because it's shorter than the green and it's shorter than this last one. This last one must be the red strip. So your strip should look something like that. Next, we are going to draw lines to show which pencil is tallest and which is shortest. So we have some labels here, shortest and tallest. Which pencil is the tallest? I like to start with the tallest because it's sometimes a lot easier to just look and see which one is the biggest or which one goes up the tallest. Well, I can see here that this middle pencil here goes up highest. When you start them all off on the same place on the dotted line, you can see that this middle pencil goes up the highest. It's the closest to touching the end of the page. So we are going to draw a line from the word tallest to our tallest pencil, which is right there in the middle. Now, which pencil is the shortest? We need to draw a line from the word shortest to our shortest pencil. We only have 2 left. We have this first one and the last one. If I draw a line from this first pencil out to show the length, does this pencil reach this pencil? Does this pencil go up as tall or as high as this pencil? No, it doesn't. So this is our shortest pencil. I'm going to draw a line from the word shortest to this pencil. And that's all we need to do for that one. Number 2, read the clues, then color the dogs. The red dog is longest, the blue dog is shorter than the yellow dog. We have 3 dogs here that are all different lengths. As you can see, we do have our dotted line here, so we know that our measurements are going to be accurate. They're all at the same starting place. So, what we know is our red dog is longest. So when looking at these dogs here, which dog is the longest? Which one goes out the farthest or the longest? Which one is closest to the end of the paper? Is it this dog here in the middle? Is this dog the longest dog? No. Is this bottom dog the longest dog or the biggest dog? No. This is our red dog, because this dog is the longest. If I drew a line down from this dog, this bottom dog doesn't reach it, and neither does this middle dog. Next, the blue dog is shorter than the yellow dog. We don't know which dog is yellow, but we do know that this middle dog is shorter than this bottom dog. If we draw a line again, we can see that this is shorter than this. This dog is longer than this dog. This dog goes out farther than this dog. So we know that this blue dog is shorter than our yellow dog. This dog on the bottom must be yellow. So your colors should look something like this. We're just reading clues and then figuring out which one is longest and which one is shortest. Next, number 3, circle the shortest one. Put an X on the longest one. So it looks like we're measuring caterpillars right here. That's cool. So we need to put an X on the longest caterpillar, and we need to circle our shortest one. So with this problem, I think that we should start with our shortest caterpillar, because it's pretty easy to see which one is shortest or which one is smallest. This bottom one is shortest. They're all starting on the same dotted line, and this one does not go out as far as this one and this one. So we need to circle this one as our shortest. These two look pretty close here. So let's put an X on the longest one. It's a little hard to tell, so let's draw our line again. If this is our line, our length of our top caterpillar, does this middle caterpillar reach this line? Is it as long as this caterpillar? No, because we have some extra length here that this caterpillar doesn't fill up. So we are going to put an X on the longest one. Our top caterpillar is our longest caterpillar. Next, number 4. Boom says the red cup is the shortest. Do you agree? Why or why not? Let's see. Read this again. Boom says the red cup is the shortest. Do you agree? Why or why not? Friends, what do we know about this dotted line right here? You're right, we know that all of our objects need to start at the same place. They need to start on our dotted line in order for us to know which one is shortest and which one is longest. This red cup here is not starting on this dotted line. So I don't think that Boom is right. I don't agree with him. When the bottom of this red cup is placed on our blue line with the other cups, it's actually taller than our yellow cup. So I do not agree with Boom. Number 5, read the clues, color the cars. So this is just gonna be like our dog picture where we read clues and we colored our dogs. So let's see. We have 3 cars here, all starting on the dotted line, which is perfect. Let's see. The blue car is shortest. the red car is longer than the yellow car. So, just reading this first sentence here, the blue car is shortest, we know that the very shortest car is going to be colored blue. So we need to figure out which car is shortest. Just by looking at this picture, I can tell that this car down here is the smallest or the shortest car. It does not go out very far. If I drew a line from this car all the way up, you can see that this car is longer than this one, and this car is longer than this one too. So this one must be our shortest car. So I'm going to quickly draw this one blue. Next, what we know is that the red car is longer than the yellow car. Well, we don't know which car is yellow, but we do know that the red car is longer than that car. So, the longest car is going to be red. Let's see. If I drew a line from this car down, do you see the extra length right here, boys and girls? This car is longer than this car, and you can tell because of the length over here. This one goes out farther than this one. So we know the red car is longer than the yellow car, so we know that this middle car must be our red car. And we know that then this top one must be our yellow car, because our blue car is the shortest and the red car is longer than the yellow car. Great job today, boys and girls. If you have any questions, go ahead and rewatch the video and see if you can answer them. And make sure you finish your student homework pages and head back to our class website for any materials that you need or to print out these pages. Thank you.